Did you know that the mineral iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production? Hi there, you guys. My name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use a healthy smoothies and foods such as Seamoss to help to prevent chronic ailments such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. I am doing a 31-day Seamoss challenge, you all. Made my own homemade fresh Seamoss, and today is day number 5, you guys, of me taking Seamoss every day, sharing with you guys the health benefits you can get from adding Seamoss to your smoothies or just to your diet on a daily basis, you guys. So while I finish up my last batch of Seamoss, I am taking 1 tablespoon of Seamoss. Then I will tell you the 5th health benefit you can get from having Seamoss on a daily basis. Day 1, we talk about the vitamin A and the vitamin E that is in Seamoss that is great for promoting healthy skin, you guys. 49 years old going on right here. Healthy skin. Adding Seamoss to your diet can help you with that. That's benefit number 1. On day 2, we talk about the potassium that's in it that is going to be great to help you to maintain and manage your blood pressure. Day 3, we talk about the prebiotic from the fiber you get from Seamoss that is going to be essential to help with your gut microbiome, you guys. Looking for a way to heal that gut, help with your gut microbiome? Seamoss is going to help you with that. Day number 4, we talk about magnesium. Magnesium is going to help you to manage your blood sugar and help you if you are insulin resistant. Today's day number 5. I am going to tell you after I take my tablespoon of Seamoss. Right there, fresh homemade Seamoss. It's the last little bit I have in there. Got a little more out of it. And I usually wash it down with water, but the water is way over there and I don't feel like going to get it. So there you go. So day number 5 benefit that you can get from Seamoss is iodine. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormone production. Therefore, for those of you who may have issues with hormone, the hormone thyroid production, you can add Seamoss to your diet on a daily basis to help to prevent thyroid disorders such as hypothyroidism. Have issues with hypothyroidism? Iodine is an essential mineral for you, and having Seamoss on a daily basis, whether it's taking a spoonful, adding Seamoss in your diet is going to be essential to help you with that thyroid issue that you may have. So again, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I am doing a 31-day Seamoss challenge where I take Seamoss every day, post a video, and share with you guys 1 health benefit that you can get from adding Seamoss to your diet. As you can see, the Seamoss is all gone. So my next video, I will be sharing with you how I make fresh homemade Seamoss. It's kind of like a 2-day process. So I will be putting it all in one day, showing you guys how I you fucking idiot, I swear to God. And I'm gonna post this just like that. My man is on the other side making this video, and I can't share with you all the faces that he's giving me back there, but I love you, baby, but we gotta finish this fucking video. Your man needs Seamoss as well, y'all. I'm just saying. We'll talk about those health benefits as well. So, the 5 health benefits you can get from Seamoss. Today's day number 5. I just shared that with you. Sorry about the distraction in the back right there. Again, we talk about the skin. We talk about the high blood pressure. Talk about the high blood sugar. Talk about the gut health issues. And today, it's about the iodine. Seamoss has 92 of the 102 essential minerals. I already mentioned 3 of them: magnesium, potassium, and iodine. So I could make a video for 92 days and still have enough additional benefits that I can talk about with Seamoss, you all. Start adding Seamoss to your diet, you guys. The next video I will be showing you how I make another batch of Seamoss gel from fresh Irish moss, or just the seaweed I use to make this Seamoss gel. So until next time, you guys, follow me on YouTube right here, Barrett Nutrition. Hit the subscription button, turn on notification, so every day when I come on here and talk about the Seamoss benefits and show you all how I make the Seamoss, you will get a notification every day I post a video. It's usually going to be a pretty quick video, you know, anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes or so, where I make the Seamoss gel. Probably will take a little bit longer. So just go on, subscribe, hit notification. Every day I'll talk about health benefit of Seamoss, and you can see the plethora of health benefits you can get from having Seamoss in your diet on a daily basis, you guys. Until tomorrow, you all, follow, like, share, and subscribe here on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook at Barrett Nutrition, you guys. Until tomorrow, bye.